In this video, I'm going to talk about why you probably won't like your design after a certain length of time. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Edward White. I make videos around building my businesses and productivity. In this video, I want to talk about how you probably won't like your design in the future. Now let me explain. There's something called the hedonic adaptation, and this basically means hedonic adaptation is a tendency of us to quickly return to a relatively stable level of happiness despite major recent positive or negative events or life changes. And I think this works for design. Say something, you've done a piece of design for your new business, maybe you've done a new website, maybe you've got a new piece of branding that you want to put out there into the world. I'm going to explain to you why you don't want to go with the first idea. And this goes back to the book 80-20 Principle by Richard. And in this book, he talks about how you want to spend 20% of your time to get 80% of your results. In design, this is going to be the mocks. This is going to be the mock websites that you create. This is going to be the mock jars that you create for your business. This is going to be the mock boxes that you make. I've done all of this for Beloit because, I didn't want to waste time designing or going to design, going to print and not being fully happy with it. So I spend 20% of my time doing the design to get 80% of the results, which is the finished product. I don't haphazardly go and try and make something that I don't believe in or I don't fully like to then only find that I don't like it when it's been printed on, say, 100 or 50 products and you're stuck with it. I found this with clients, I really try and manage their expectations and say, look, come back to this, sit on it for like 3 or 4 days, don't look at it, come back, let me know what you think. And I really think you need to do that. So any area of your life that you want to implement design into, so for me, that's designing a new personal brand website, maybe, right, I'm gonna make it live, so then it's in the video, done, go and check it out. edwardwhite.co, go and check it out, let me know what you think. Still designing process, so building process, so it might not be done, but if I put it out there, it might be. So for this I'm designing the information architecture. Then I've also got the mocks that I need to do, and I'll tend to do this on my chalkboard wall, which I will use to just scribble out ideas or stick some headphones in and try and get really creative with just like pushing out all of my ideas onto the board. Then I'll go into Photoshop, design the mocks how I want to look, spend probably about 2-3 hours doing this, and then I can start building. And I think this process will help you so much, especially if you're not into design or you don't fully immerse yourself in it. I think design something, then work on building it. So then you get over that kind of hump of you love the design, but you've not spent all the time building it, and you just get the final result that you're really happy with. Hope that makes sense. So ultimately, you want to make mocks for your products. You want to build the design process out first, then start building the actual products, website, whatever it is. Do that first. I guarantee you it will save you a lot of pressure and a lot of heartache. I hope that you found this quick little tip useful. I appreciate you watching my videos, and if you got this far, please let me know what you're working on in terms of your design. I'd love to know, and I'd love to start a conversation. Thank you so much for watching. If you could go and check out this video where I talk about the creative space in Gymshark and how it's such a good idea, that would mean so much. Goodbye.